Hi, welcome to Mathematics question. This is the fifth question in the series of logical and reasoning, and the question is, pointing to a man, a woman said, "He is the son of my grandfather's only son. How is the man related to the woman?" Options are brother, cousin, uncle and father. Pause the video, try this question, then we will look at the solution. Hope you have got the right answer. Let's look at the solution. Pointing to a man, a woman said, this is a question of blood relation. He is the son of my grandfather's only son. This is the main point here. He is the son of my grandfather's only son. So, woman, since there is a female who said, for a man, wherever he is, like for a male, she is saying, this is the son of my grandfather. My grandfather means here he sits, my grandfather sits here. This is grandfather of this female. He is the son, this person is the son of my grandfather's only son. So this grandfather has only one son, so he will be staying here. And this grandfather has only one son, and this is the son, and this male is the son of this only. So here is the relation. Now see the relation. So female is also a descendant of this one, and the male is also descendant of this son of the grandfather. That means they are related as a brothers and sisters, right? This is the brother and this is sister. Let's look at what the exact question is asking for. The exact question is asking, how is the man related to the woman? How is this man related to this woman? That means he is brother of this female. So the option brother is the correct answer. Hope you got the right answer and understood this solution. Bring out these questions in the comment, then we'll look at more into these solutions, and hope you liked it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such content. Thank you so much.